Hello, grade 6. Our lesson today is about the atom. First, we need to know what makes up matter. An atom is the smallest particle into which an element can be divided and still be the same element. So the atom is considered to be the basic unit of all matter because it is the smallest unit that has the chemical properties of an element. We cannot see individual atoms, but they make up everything we do see. If we look at this image, it shows how atoms are connected in a substance. What can we infer about atoms from this image? We can say that many atoms connect together in order to make up a substance. Let's move to the atomic theory. What does the atomic theory state? It says that every substance is made up of atoms combined in certain ways. Example, an oxygen atom combines with two hydrogen atoms to form water. All atoms of a certain element are identical. Now, what is an atom made up of? First, a nucleus containing positively charged particles that we call protons, and uncharged particles that we call neutrons. If we look at the picture, we can see that in the nucleus we have red spheres. These represent the protons, and we have blue spheres that represent the neutrons. And also, the atom is made up of negatively charged particles that we call electrons. Electrons move within an area around the nucleus called the electron cloud. Now, what are the parts of an atom? So we have the nucleus. Protons and neutrons are found in the center of the electron cloud. Protons are the positively charged particles of atoms. The relative charge of a single proton is often written as 1 plus. Neutrons are particles that have no electric charge. They are a little more massive than protons are. So protons and neutrons form the nucleus of the atom, and the nucleus is located at the center of an atom. Now, the electron cloud. The negatively charged particles of the atom are called electrons. Electrons move around the nucleus very quickly. Now, compared with protons and neutrons, electrons have very little mass. The charge of a single electron is represented as 1 minus. The charges of protons and electrons are opposite. The number of protons in an atom equals the number of electrons. That is why the atom has an overall charge of 0. So if we look at the picture, we have an atom of sodium. This atom has 11 protons. It means 11 positive charges. And also it has 11 electrons. It means 11 negative charges. So it has an overall charge of 0. Finally, how can we describe atoms? First, by the atomic number. The atomic number distinguishes the atoms of one element from the atoms of another. The atomic number is the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. If we look at the picture, we have a hydrogen atom. Every hydrogen atom contains one proton, so hydrogen has an atomic number of 1. Or we can describe atoms by the mass number. What is the mass number? It is the total number of protons and neutrons in an atom's nucleus. For example, all chlorine atoms have 17 protons and 18 neutrons. So 17 plus 18 equals 35. So the mass number of this atom is 35. Thank you for watching.